In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive tasks in Asana. If you've archived tasks in Asana by marking them complete and then hiding completed items with filters, this walkthrough will show you how to surface those tasks again and make them active. First, open the project where those tasks live. From your Asana sidebar, click into the specific project so you're looking at its board or list. Make sure you're in the right workspace and project because the visibility settings we're about to change apply to the project you're viewing. You don't need anything special to view completed tasks, but you do need permission to change a task's completion status, so ensure you have edit access in this project. Next, look to the top right of your project for the filter control. It typically appears as a funnel icon labeled filter. This is where Asana decides what to show or hide in your current view. If completed tasks were hidden, this is why those items feel archived. We're simply going to tell Asana to display them again. Now update the view so you can see everything you need. In the filter menu, choose all tasks if you want to see both incomplete and completed items at once. Alternatively, choose completed tasks to focus only on finished work. Once you select one of these, your list or board will refresh and you'll notice completed tasks reappear, usually with a strike-through title and a green check mark in a circle. If your project has sections or columns, those completed tasks will sit in their original spots, just visually dimmed to indicate they're done. With the tasks visible, it's time to make the ones you want active again. Open the task or hover over it, then uncheck the green circle. In Asana, that green check means the task is completed. Clicking it again clears the check and flips the task back to incomplete. You'll see the strike-through disappear and the task return to normal styling. That's it, your task is now active and will behave like any other open item in the project. A few quick tips as you do this. If you accidentally reopen the wrong task, you can click the check mark again to complete it or use undo right away. Reopening a task may notify collaborators and can re-enable due date reminders or rules that act on incomplete tasks, which is useful if you're truly picking work back up, and that's how to unarchive tasks in Asana when they were hidden by filters. Open the project, adjust the filter, show completed items, and uncheck the green circle to bring tasks back to life.